Good day, traders. Welcome back, traders. By the way, so if you are new to this my channel, please before you go, don't forget to subscribe. I need you to just subscribe, like, share, and comment if you have any question or if you appreciate. So anyway, let's get started now. We have our New Zealand USD. As you can see, if you to watch my previous video about my weekly analysis, when I said that our New Zealand will actually be dropping this week. You can go back to confirm, by the way. So yesterday we had a bullish move, a little bit of a bullish move, which did not move very well. But today, guess what? We had this we are having this bearish engulfing candlestick. We can see it now. It has gone bearish. It's about to engulf this previous bullish move for that yesterday. For today now, we are going to be seeing, for that yesterday we have a bit of bullish move, and today we are having that engulfing candle. As you can see on our daily time frame, we are actually waiting for a drop. The reason why I said there will be a drop is, see something, we want to be having like a double top. We see top here, one top, you can see another top. Guess what are you having next? A drop. And again, one thing is that we are having another thing called like an head and shoulder. We can see our shoulder here, right? You can see the head here, right? And guess what? We are about to form another shoulder, which at least should probably push down here before we can actually now get that bullish move upward. Before we can actually get that, before you actually get a movement like this, which should be giving us an head and shoulder. But before you actually complete that bullish move upward, we should be seeing a drop for this week. You can go to confirm my video to see it. I said we will be seeing a drop. So for today, we can see our price has opened bearish and it has gone to about 27 pips. So let's see if we can be able to continue the bearish move, especially when our London section has opened. Right now we are in the Tokyo section. You can see our price, you can see it here. I would see Tokyo section has just opened not long ago. So that's exactly how it is. So probably what we are looking for is about a drop, and we have gotten that. The drop has started, by the way. So that's exactly what we are seeing on our daily time frame. On our 4-hour time frame, something a drop, by the way. We saw we've broken our previous higher lows, sorry, by the way. Our previous higher lows, we saw this, it was a previous lower lows. You see higher lows here, we saw these higher highs. Now we're supposed to come back to test this area, but we've broken below it and we're actually going down. So let's see if we can go down more to at least 40 to 50 more pips. There's a possibility to go down to this our area here, which is about 0.6. So I'm aiming that our price pushes down, go below it, this our area here. For today on our New Zealand USD, at least our price will actually push, go give us that bearish move straight and at least close here for today. Exactly what I think might be happening, and let's see how our price will place out, and let's see how it will happen above all. Same thing with our 1-hour time frame. See a bearish move, by the way. See, you can see the drop. Our previous lower higher lows has been broken. We see our another previous higher lows, we are almost close to it, and I believe it will be broken, by the way. Again, another one, our previous higher lows, this one too will be broken. So we are actually going bearish, by the way, for today. So our New Zealand is actually dropping, and one thing again, that there's no major news on our New Zealand dollar that can actually change the direction of our movement. You can see here all the news we have is New Zealand. This is low impact news, which is about to be in about, it will come out in 30 minutes time. You can see we are still at 1 a.m. see very early in the morning, and by 2 we should be able to get a news on New Zealand, which will be low impact news. And where is again no news for today after that one. So there will not be much movement that can change the direction or give us a much movement. So I think there's no much movement right now. We are still our Tokyo session. London session has not opened. New York session has not opened. So that is why we will probably, because of this, we'll probably be going bearish for today. Let's see our price drops for today. That is exactly what I am seeing our movement for today, what might happen for today. So at least that's exactly what I'm planning to change. So thank you very much if you find this my video helpful. Thank you.